Hello YouTubers, I'm not an expert, and this is my flea market find video for December 10th. Only one find today. I've been going to the flea market a lot lately, but really haven't had any interesting old tools. But today I got a Stanley number 4. Pretty nice. At first I thought that was rosewood. Now I'm starting to think maybe it's hardwood with a red. It's not black paint though. It doesn't have the grain to really look. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not good at wood identification, apparently. Let's take a look at it. A little rust, but it's all pretty much superficial surface rust. That'll clean up easy. So it'll be easy to restore. I've got the lever cap to take off. The blade and chip breaker, again, a little rust, but nothing major. I think that likely will be easy enough to clean up. And there's a little surface rust inside there. But the adjustment knob turns real easy. Let's do a little dating. That's always kind of fun. So the first thing is, how many patent dates does it have on it? 0. Does it have a raised ring under the knob? Yes. Is it painted blue? No. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my computer while I'm doing this. Does it have a raised rib on the front and rear? Well, it doesn't have the raised rib on the front. I don't think number 4s do. It does have the raised rib on the rear. So let's see. Follow that to a yes. Okay. Now that means it's either a 16 to a 19. The next question is, does it have Stanley vertically on the adjuster, lateral adjustment? And yes, it does vertically have it. So we say yes to that question. I can work my computer. Okay, so it's a Stanley Type 19. And the 19 means it was made between 1948 and 1961, which will kind of explain its really good condition. So not a real antique, fairly modern one, but in really pretty good condition. I'm pretty happy with it. I paid $10. I think that was a good deal. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. Definitely have to de-rust it, wax it, clean it up, get it sharpened. Maybe I'll use it as a plane. I have a couple of number 4s, but I couldn't pass up a bargain. All right, that's all I got today. We'll catch you later.